going to find the queen on this one, but when I get home, I'll find her. Like, share, subscribe, help your local beekeeper. This one, you could totally find the queen easy on this one. Like,
dude, that's gnarly.
Like, but most hives aren't like easy to find the queen like this.
So they're not gonna bite right now?
Nah, this is a swarm. They're really non-aggressive.
Whoa, you don't even mind them on you like that.
Nah, you can't get panicky when they're flying all around you.
Oh, goodness.
Like this one, I could totally find the queen in like a few seconds, but like with the bee vac, you just vacuum everything up and then move to the next job. Like, there she is right there.
You see her?
There's the queen right there.
Holy
Come
moly.
check her out.
How do you know she's the queen?
Oh, there she took off. She's definitely bigger size. I had her in my hand, and then she flew away. She landed back down in here, I'm sure.
Wow.
Yeah, she was easy to find on this one.